Step-by-Step English Readers. Book 1. Introductory Lessons. Listening and Speaking. Exercise 1. A map. A man. A pan. A bat. Exercise 2. A pen. A net. A tent. A bed. Exercise 3. A king. A wing. Kicking. Digging. Exercise 4. A hat. A well. A hill. Exercise 5. A pan. A pen. A pin. Exercise 6. A doll. A top. A shop. Writing. I-N. Exercise 7. A duck. The sun. A cup. Writing. U-M. Exercise 8. A book. A cook. A foot. Writing. E-L. Exercise 9. A rat. A ring. Running. Writing. O-C. Exercise 10. A gate. Rain. A train. Writing. A-D. Exercise 11. A tree. 3 trees. 3 bees. Writing. W. V. Exercise 12. A kite. Writing. A vine. Writing. R. S. Exercise 13. A rose. A goat. Throwing. Writing. B. H. Exercise 14. A cube. A tube. Pupils. Writing. K. X. Exercise 15. The moon. A spoon. A zoo. Writing. Y. Z. Exercise 16. A star. a jar, a cow, a house, writing, T, P. Exercise 17. A saw, a saucer, a boy, pointing, writing, F, J. Exercise 18. A girl, a church, a feather, a doctor, writing, G, Q. Review. Number 1. Sound, man, pan, bat, rat. Number 2. Sound, gate, plate, rain, train. Number 3. Sound, pen, hen, well, bell. Number 4. Sound, bee, tree, 3. Sheep. Number 5. Sound, king, wing, kick, sheep. Number 6. Sound, kite, right, white, vine. Number 7. Sound, top, shop, doll, box. Number 8. Sound, rose, nose, goat, coat. Number 9. Sound, cup, run, sun, gun. Number 10. Sound, cube, tube, pupil. Number 11. Sound, book, cook, foot. Number 12. Sound, moon, spoon, zoo. Number 13. Sound, cow, house, mouse. Number 14. Sound, jar, star, car. Number 15. Sound, boy, toys, point. Number 16. Sound, saw, draw, saucer. Number 17. Sound, china, feather, doctor. Number 18. Sound, girl, bird, church. Note: find these words in the picture dictionary. Plate, hen, bell, sheep, ship, white, box, nose, coat, mouse, toys, car, draw, bird. The English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,